2024 Nissan Frontier Pro 4X versus 2024 Tacoma TRD Pro. Fight! The Tacoma is fully redesigned for the 2024 model year, which makes the mid-size pickup truck's 4th generation, along with inheriting a variant of the body-on-frame platform shared with the Toyota Tundra. The new Tacoma receives updated powertrains, more modern features, and a wider selection of trim levels. The Frontier gains a plush SL trim for 2024, which comes standard with leather upholstery, a 10-speaker Fender stereo system, and fancier LED lighting elements. We're most excited about the 1980s inspired Hardbody Edition model though, which borrows styling elements from the Nissan Hardbody pickup truck. The Tacoma comes with a 2.4-liter turbo inline-4 hybrid that outputs 326 horsepower, 465 pound-feet of torque, and has an MPG rating of 22 city and 24 highway. The driveline is 4-wheel drive, it comes with an 8-speed automatic, and the payload is 1,709 pounds. MSRP is $63,900. The Frontier comes with a 3.8-liter V6 that has 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque. MPG is 18 city and 22 highway, and of course it comes with 4-wheel drive. The transmission is a 9-speed auto, while the payload is 1,220 pounds. MSRP is $39,560. Pros for the Tacoma includes TRD tuned 2.5-inch Fox internal bypass QS3 shocks, ISO dynamic performance seats, and better approach and departure angles than the Frontier. Its cons include less towing capacity, almost double the price than the Frontier, but its cabin is actually smaller than the Frontier. The pros of the Frontier includes impressively quiet, less expensive than the TRD Pro, and it comes with the Ballstein monotube shock absorbers. Its cons include less powerful and torquey engine than the Tacoma TRD Pro, less maximum payload than the Tacoma TRD Pro. Lastly, it doesn't actually have as great of a safety/interior tech features as the Tacoma TRD Pro. In summary, the Tacoma TRD Pro comes with a lot of features that makes it one of the best off-roader or desert racer. Yeah, this comes at a high price, but Toyota really didn't skimp out on this one, and really put the best technology and features. It's also a big plus that the truck looks great. The Frontier Pro 4X is basically a cheaper version of the Tacoma TRD Pro. It has the same off-road technology and features, but Nissan spent less on them, so they are not as fancy. It also looks good, but not as good as the Taco. However, the Frontier is a bit bigger inside than the Tacoma. Which is the better mid-size pickup truck? Comment down below for the Frontier Pro 4X, or like the video for the Tacoma TRD Pro. I personally would go for the Tacoma. It costs more, but definitely worth every penny, and it won't depreciate as much.